Hello everyone, this is Prabhulingu Eman studying computer science in Manasa Gangotri, and today my topic is types of network. There is four types of computer networks are there: PAN, LAN, MAN, WAN. And before that, we should know first what is network. A computer network is an interconnection of two or more computers and then peripherals such as printers, fax, and scanner. Computer networks allows the user to share the transfer information using cable or modem over a network. When computers communicate with each other, they follow some certain formats and rules. This is all network. And the first type of computer network is PAN, Personal Area Network. The Personal Area Network, PAN, is the smallest area network which is very personal to a user. And this may include Bluetooth enabled devices or infrared enabled devices. It may connect within the range of around 10 meters. And personal area network may includes wireless computer keyboards and mouse, Bluetooth, enable headphones, wireless printers, etc. These are all about PAN. And the second type of computer network is local area network. LAN is a local network. A local area network is privately owned. The computer networks covering a small network's geographical area, such as the local area network works within some certain areas or certain places like home, office, or building, school network, etc. These kind of nearby areas, local area network will work. And LAN is used to connect the computers and other network devices so that the devices can communicate with each other to share resources, like one or more or two or more or three or more computers can connect it to a hub. It will work on one source, and they are widely used in business organizations like factories, college, universities, industries, those kind of institution, etc. And IEEE developed specification of LAN, and you can see and LAN data transfer speed over a local area network can be reached up to 10 Mbps per second. It was a minimum speeding network. You can see the diagram here. Many computers are connected to a hub, and that hub connected to a server, and that can be connected to a printer. That hub is connected to a router which will provide internet to the computers. This is all about LAN. Next network type is Metropolitan Area Network, MAN. MAN network is a larger than LAN, and it can cover over a city and its surrounding areas. This network work in the surroundings cities or towns. Generally, MAN can be created by interconnecting of two LANs. Means connection of two LAN said to be Metropolitan Area Network. MAN is made up the combination of two or more two LANs. Generally and geographically, area can be by MAN is larger than LAN network but smaller than WAN. This network delivers fast and efficient communication by using a high-speed carrier, example fabric cables. The best known example of MAN is cable television network available in the whole city. And A MAN can be created as a single network, such as cable TV networking, covering the entire city or group of several local area networks. You can see the diagram. Combination of two LAN can be said as metropolitan area network. The internet can be provided to the router. Router can be given internet to the hub. And in that all the network can be connected. And the last network is wide area network. Wide area network is telecommunication network. WAN is used for communication between devices of a large geographical areas such as countries and continents, and uses common carrier like satellite system and telephone lines. The WAN can contain multiple smaller network such as LANs or MANs. And the internet is larger than all the network connectivity. Internet is large WAN spanning the earth. WAN are commonly connected either through the internet or special arrangements made with phone companies or other service providers. The speed of the WAN is very high when compared to all other communicative networks. You can see the diagram of wide area network. WAN can be done using many